In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign multiple roles to a user in Biamp Workplace. Go to the admin section, the users tab, and select the user you want to assign a role to. From the Workplace role menu, you now have an option to select the desired role you want to assign to the user. You can assign multiple roles to the same user, and the roles are defined as Workplace user for mobile access, organization owner and admin for admin access, command admin and command user for using Tessera command, and device monitoring if you only want to use the monitoring aspect of Biamp Workplace.